I am going to share with you a craft destash that I purchased from a person in my community. They decided that crafting wasn't really their thing anymore, so they were actually giving away their entire craft supply, and I wanted to give them some money because it was so much. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the wood veneer that I got. So there was 3 of these containers filled with embellishments. I've already gone through and sorted it, and I've sorted it to wood veneer and put everything else in different spots. So this is the wood veneer that I got. So it's sorted into stars. There's these like little people, and then different wooden shapes. Like, I think this was from the crepe paper confetti. Like, some of this stuff is like vintage crepe paper. This is flowers, butterflies, and random shapes. So there's a few arrows in there. These are hearts, and there's also some little moons in there too. This is words. There's things like XO, wonderful. There's also these really dainty ones, like this one here says sweet, and then happy, and then some really big ones like this, which is a giant card. So that's just the first of many things that I'm going to be sharing with you. So what I got was in 2 giant boxes. It was just a hodgepodge of different supplies, and I've already sorted it into the things that I want to keep, which is this box here, and then things that I'm going to donate to a charity that I know that I'm not going to use, so I'm going to donate it. So these are the things that I'm going to keep first. So there's just things like gift bags, and then a whole bunch of doilies. These words here, they're from a brand called Mementa, and this is from Hobby Lobby, so I'm guessing this person went to America. If you don't know, I'm in Australia, so we don't have these brands. And like Flea Market, we don't have these in Australia, so it's super interesting. This Heidi Swap acetate words, so they look like this. So I'm just really excited. Here is this Scarlet Lime, which is a planner society, and it's a whole bunch of these. Then there's these as well from the Planner Society, which is just tiny word stickers. Now this is some stuff that you'd get in Australia. So this is a sticker sheet. Only 2 of the sheets are left on there, but I'm not too worried. Then these Heidi Swap words, which like 2 are used out of the whole pack, so it's a pretty good deal. This is the Maggie Holmes Bloom Washi sticker book, and out of the whole sticker book, just those 2 have been used. So there's so much here. This is the DIY shop words. I actually have these. Then these Heidi Swap stickers, again from Hobby Lobby. These ones here, I've never heard of this gram. It's called Embellish. Very cute, so a lot of different tiny words. Then this is the Tim Holtz Small Talk. I have about 4 of these. But then there was things like this Dear Lizzie. I did find the collection name before. Like this Dear Lizzie collection, which is a full sticker pack that they never used. And then this one here, which I think is the Stay Colourful one. Again, never been used. This is a cocoa vanilla pack. Like, I feel so grateful that I was able to pick up this thing, because this is going to just double my stash. Like, I have quite a large stash, but this has just doubled my stash. Then there's this pink paisley Turn the Page. Some have been used, but like, I don't mind. I will still go through this. Here is the crepe paper little U in the girl one, because I know there's a girl one and a boy one. And all that's been used is 2 tiny words there, and then a bunny. Like, there's so much left. This is the other side of the Cocoa Vanilla. I think it's Bohemian Dreams is the collection, I want to say. Here's a Maggie Holmes chipboard. I think this is Chasing Dreams, or maybe Bloom. I want to say it's Chasing Dreams, because I think I've had this before years ago, and I remember it looking like Chasing Dreams. And there's a confetti one. I think this is from Confetti. Yeah, this is from Confetti. And then this is the Maggie Home stamp set. This is from a while ago, I believe. These bows, some sequins mix. These are some, they're like a wood veneer, but they're Project Life cards. It also came with, if I can get it out, like about 100 page protectors. So I don't need to get any new page protectors for a while. This super cute heart vellum. So I can't wait to make some little ruffle strips with this. This is a Dear Lizzie specialty paper. I'm sorry about the glare, I'll get that covered in a minute. This is a Kaisercraft specialty paper. And then the Take Me Away specialty paper. It also had the whole Stay Colourful 12 by 12. And then this is just the paper that I chose to keep. There was a lot in there that I was still like, oh, I don't think I'm going to use this. This is the old Maggie Holmes 12 by 12. It's just a lot of her original designs from before. This was before she had any of her old style. So this is, I think, I want to say like 2013 maybe? 2012. So this is from 2012. So this is her really old style. Then the Gather chipboard. Gather is my favorite collection, so I'm so excited to use this. And out of the about, I want to say 100 pieces of washi, these were the ones that I chose to keep. I thought this one was cool because I could use it for school. And then these nice pretty gold ones. We're still going. These thickers. These thickers. These, they're from Bohemian Dream as well. I've had these before. And then these, which I think go with the Maggie Home Shine collection. I've had these before as well, but I will use them again. There's a few other things that I'm not keeping for myself, but that I'm not donating. They'll be giving to some friends. So these are the Scarlet Lime by the Planner Society stamps. The Chamille Glitter Girl sticker sheet. The Once Upon a Time by Echo Park. I've had the paper pad for this before, but it's just not my style anymore. This is a Me and My Big Ideas sticker book. Completely unused. These charms I thought were really cool. They're planner accessories by Recollections. We've just got these like cute little llamas. This Dear Lizzie stamp. These dimensional stickers. I think you can get these from Riot in Australia. These are really cute, like little mason jars. I'd like to make these myself. Like they're really chunky. Then this is by Dough Crafts, I think. All this bling. Then this foil stickers, they're from the Reject Store. These layered stickers, again from the Reject Store. These stickers here. I actually have one of these already, so that's why I'm going to give this one away, but it's like a sticker set. Then these Heidi Swap stickers. This ephemera pack, which is really cute. It's like vintage Maggie Holmes. Very cute. I actually really like this. I kind of changed my mind and want to keep this now. No, I'm not. I'm going to give it away. Then these ones as well. This is called Islander. It's called Vintage Escape. Definitely vintage Maggie Holmes. These like fox stickers. These cute baking stickers. These cute crafty stickers. Some Heidi Swap more stickers. Some chipboard alphas. And then I think there was like 5 or 6 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So there's this one. And then this one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. So these are ones that I'm gifting to pen pals. I thought I'd also just show you. This is the box of stuff that I'm donating. So if you don't know, you can actually donate your unwanted scrapbooking supplies to nursing homes and aged care facilities, as well as different charities like Salvation Army, and in Australia have like veneers and things. You can also donate them to schools. I know a lot of schools accept craft supplies, so I'll be donating this entire box of stuff to them. I've done this lots of times before. They're always really thankful for that. So none of it's going to go to waste. And now I have to upload, well, not upload, now I have to put all of this into my storage system. So it's going to take me a very long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little Destash haul that I'm sharing with you. Stay tuned to see how I use these products. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.